Hello everyone, and welcome back to Electro Solutions. Today, we're troubleshooting a common but confusing issue with Candy dishwashers. You might find that your machine turns on, all buttons are responsive, and you can select programs, but when you press the Start Play button, the dishwasher simply won't start. If you're facing this, let's look at the display. When you turn the dishwasher off and then back on, watch the screen closely. You will see the message Demo On. This is the showroom mode used in stores to demonstrate the interface without running the motor. As long as this is active, your dishwasher will not start a cycle. To deactivate this and get your machine back to work, follow these simple steps. Make sure the dishwasher is on. Press and hold two buttons simultaneously. The Program Selection button and the Delay Start button. Keep holding them until you hear a long beep and the display changes to Demo Off. Now that it says Demo Off, turn the dishwasher off and then on again to reset the system. Now, select any program and hit the Start button. As you can see, the machine is now responding perfectly and starting its cycle. Problem solved. If this video saved you time and money, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to Electro Solutions. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss our professional repair tips. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be